Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TIAA retirement account, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.tiaa.org and press enter. Wait for the TIAA homepage to load completely. Look for the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. In the drop-down menu, select Retirement Account. You will be taken to the secure login page. Enter your username in the provided field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your login details for future visits, check the box labeled Remember Me. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. Wait for the system to process your login. If you entered the correct information, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you forgot your username or password, click on the respective link to reset them. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover your login details. For added security, ensure you always log out after accessing your account. Keep your login information private and avoid accessing your account on public Wi-Fi. You can now manage your retirement account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.